Oh, that's nasty. Oh, it's a bit of a rear landing. Okay guys, we're back at Arc. It's been a while. Lockdown is all coming to an end. Glad to be back here. The boys are here. And Jack, he's got his new car here. Yeah. Well, not really a new car. Well, what is it then? Upgraded car. So we'll get over to that in a minute. Remember, if you like what we're doing, please remember to subscribe. Turn on those notifications.
Share to everyone, you know.
Everyone and everybody.
Everyone and everybody.
Okay guys, so what cars we've got here today? We've got obviously Callum's Italian, been repaired after Paddlesworth. So you want to see that video, check out above. Put a link above. His Max also been repaired, now with some nice shiny new arms. Because Callum abused those at Paddlesworth, didn't you?
Yeah, nice new
blue arms, colour body matching. Got my EXB, and then this is Jack's upgraded Krajave EXB. So we've now got the M2C chassis on it. Mojave M2C chassis. It's been banana armoured. We've lengthened the body by putting a bit on the back here, and we're going to see how that goes around the track. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
So have a little race for the Italian and Jack's Krajave EXB. You ready, boys?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Any marks? Get set, go! Oh, Callum's gone straight up the rear of Jack. I think Callum has suddenly lost the ability to drive. Oh, he's slammed on his brakes, did he? Well, here's a corner. Any marks? Get set, go! At the danger zone. They're coming round. Callum's in the lead, but oh, yeah, oh, Jack's got, oh, a little tumble. Jack's out the game. So round one, I think we'll go to the Italian. Round one to the Italian. Banana arrma. Any marks? Get set, go! Oh, Jack's taken him on the inside. Can Callum come back? Oh, nice jumping from both of them. Oh, I think Jack's going to nail this one. Yeah, Callum's crashed. This one, convincing win to Jack. It's convincing win. So it's 1-1 now. Yep. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. You marks, get set, go! Oh, the Italian's off to a blinding start. And the EXB's whipped up the inside though. Oh, and they're both going well. It's neck and neck at the moment. So we can get over here quickly. Oh, round the corner, oh no! Oh, Jack's lost it on the straight. So that's a win for the Italian. I think Jack was just trying a little bit too hard on the straight there. Did you try too hard? Got some stacking and racking going on here. What's the scores on the doors at the moment?
1-0, 2-1.
2 to the Italian, 1 to the Krajave EXB. So, decider, on your marks, get set, go! They're coming round Jack's in the lead. Oh, Callum's trying to take him. Oh no, Jack's hit the tyres. That's it. I think the Italian's gonna be 3-1. Unless Italian crashes. Oh, he's trying his hardest. But no, that is a 3-1. Is that not fair? How is it not fair? Italian's owning. The what? What is? Italian's getting well. That's racing.
More than that whole time.
I don't know. Might have been. Time to hit the Arc pit stop.
It's actually called the Arc Diner.
Is it the Arc Diner? Arc pit stop. Arc Diner. What do you want then, Jack?
Bacon roll.
Bacon roll. You want anything, Callum? You sure? Time is 12:30. Not yet. Little upgrade we've done as well, because we did bend the tower to tower brace at Paddlesworth. So a little carbon fibre sleeve for that. I'll put a link below where you can get this from eBay. Fits on there perfectly. Lunchtime. Oh, look at that. Oi! You didn't want any?
No.
Nicky my chips. Yummy, 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 yummy. Nice little Kraton EXB here. They do look good. Chunky old tyres as well. Beefy.
What I love is the turnbuckles. Very beefy.
Oh, beefy turnbuckles, yeah.
Banana arrma chassis.
Does look good though. Callum's got his food now. Nice chips. Let's have one, you're eating mine. Oh, yummy, yummy. Jack's lining up, Krajave EXB. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, it's a bit of a rear landing. It got up there though. I think we're all right. Bit of a rear landing, Jack. M2C's solid though. Hinge pins look good. Everything looks good. Ready for some more. Here comes Jack again with the Krajave EXB. Oh. It's getting up there. The battery's come undone. Servo's unplugged it. What, not steering?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to put some blue tack on it or something. He's gone right out there. Oh, that up there. To the moon.
I'll stop calling you softcore now. That was good.
Oh, that's up there. Oh, nicely landed though. Little chassis slap. It's jumping well. Unfortunately, whilst I was trying to fix Callum's Max, Jack jumped the car and had a particularly bad landing, which unfortunately we didn't get on film. You can see he's sheared the bolt for the rear chassis brace, and it looks like he's damaged the M2C chassis up front for the front chassis brace. We'll have a little look inside. And the inside damage report's not too bad. As I said, with M2C chassis brace at the back, the front one I think it's just pulled off. Apart from that, looks okay. So it was a really heavy landing. Motor mount might have moved as well. Yep, because that was sat down. That was sat down flush before, and I had to squeeze that in. So he has twisted the PPS motor mount as well. You can see that the pinion's off. Okay guys, So, damage report. Krajave is quite damaged. Jack's a little bit sad. Main thing is that PPS motor mount, whether we've bent that. Won't know until we get off. Okay guys, if you want to see more of the Krajave, please remember to
Subscribe! Hit the like!
turn on the notifications.
Comment down below! And share to everyone.
Okay guys, stay safe, take care, and we will see you on the next video.
Coach Crossy, signing out.